I don't know, have no fear that Dan is here. You see me and say, you don't know where I deal with, once we in a lab, you don't know where I deal with, man, we're back on a mad reaction. And today, we actually have, who we have on the chopping block today again. You see me, today we actually have Popcaan. You see me and say, and the one I name, who is you? You see me and say, I want to check it out and say that I got deal with, you don't know Popcaan. Man, you don't know Popcaan, one of the best in the game. Do we have to say nothing? You see me and say, man, been doing this. Don't solidify himself as a superstar legend in a game. You see me and say, I don't know. That's not all up. We bad know Popcaan. Let's get it. Unruly boss. Let's get it. Who is you?
Can't stop for nobody. Been do it globally. Major watch over me.
Yeah, as man start been doing it globally. You see me and say, Popcaan, one of the artists there, one of the biggest artists in the dancehall right now. You see me and say?
Can't trust nobody, not even a jugadick. You learn. If me never frame with me movements, long time they would have gone me. Should
I hear that if man never with the movements and I can't even long time, if you know what you're doing in a game now.
I listen when me friends if you shoot them, cause them alive and still on me. Who is you? Ready for stereotype me. Go so you mother kindly.
Hey, I mean, what is you try stereotype me? You don't know me.
Ready for stereotype me. Go so you mother kindly. Who is you? You, yeah.
Look at you, them in uniform, I go to school. You don't know who them you them a child. How much hills and gully, you see me?
All with them cause and them fight we still breathing. Them never know about the times we man grieving. Sometimes we feel like the Bible misleading. Cause all the people were evil still reading.
Bumbo, please, the other one there? Me understand. Sometimes I feel like the Bible misleading because even though people are evil, I read it. Jaja. That dog. I hear, the Bible is so powerful. You see me, even I hear people have that knowledge. You see me?
Cause all the people were evil still reading. Can't tell the reason why I'm blessed. Still them hate for my success. Can't tell the reason why I'm blessed. Still them hate man. Me too great man.
Easy, I don't know why you got through. You see me and reason for your success. But that's not it. You see me and say?
Can't tell the reason why I'm blessed. Still them hate for my success. Can't tell the reason why I'm blessed. Yeah, them hate man. Me too.
No reason I'm blessed, man. You see me and say it's not yet, man. I want to know.
Great man. Me focus with the hybrid. Yeah, Charlie have you Uzi beside him. Unruly, we know work with the styling. If you have a dead friend, man, me send you go join him. Yeah, me fight.
I work with the styling. If you have a dead friend, me send you go join him.
If you reach, I'm rich. Great from high school, I just history repeat. Man, but long time go ask beat the beat. Make the rifle sing like singing sweet.
One of them days when I bomba chop back a dog at school.
Them used to call we a gang when we drive in a van block. Yeah, me young and broken, me heart full of hunger. Grandma say me enemies a go wonder. And while them a wonder, them a figure wonder. Who is you? Ready to stereo?
Come in, man. To you. Oh no. Oh no.
Tell me, suck your mother precisely. Who is you?
Oh no, man. Oh no, man. Oh no, man. Oh no, no. Where you come from? Move up.
You, all with them cause and them fight we still breathing. Them never know about the times we man grieving. Sometimes we feel like the Bible means.
I mean, all them cause and fight we still there, man, breathing. You see me going strong. I'm telling you.
Cause all the people were evil still reading. Can't tell the reason why I'm blessed. Still them hate for my success. Can't tell the reason why I'm
that's why pagans them go on, You see me?
blessed. Still them hate man. Me too great man. Can't tell the reason why I'm blessed. Still them hate for my success.
Yes. Come in now and talk to them, papi.
Can't tell the reason why I'm blessed. Me too great, man.
Man too great, that's why I don't want to hate. Come in. Every youth, you know, make you know every ghetto you know, say, you see me and say, yeah man, just go on time and God. You see me and say? Yeah man, hard work. Everything will come true, man.
Yeah, Google it. You know what you know, man. I know the state. Real all my
Right days when I go to school, I had them thing they have for what? Hey, I mean, man. I want to drive. Hey.
Never fear, never scared, yeah. Room.
Come far and we still have far to go, don't it? Yeah, man. Me just go and run on one race. You see me, keep your eye on the prize. Don't watch nobody, just keep your eye on your thing and keep moving forward. You see me? Your thing will happen in time. Yeah, man. Unruly boss. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, gang. Popcaan, who is you? Only think about the one day. You see me? One day is more like, yo, who is you is more like, who's you to judge me? You know what I'm saying? Basically, like, he without his cast the first stone type thing. You know what I'm saying? I say, you don't know where I come from, you don't know what I do for reach or I reach. You want to reason why I'm blessed, why I hate. You see me, I fight against man. You see me, and you still can't stop me. You see me, I say, but you know what I'm saying? So, really dope track. Big up Popcaan, visuals, my dope. You see me, see, look at you, them, I go to school. You see me, I see the gully and the road, and them have to travel for reach. You see me, I say? Yeah, if you go and reach back home. You see me, I say? So, yeah, big up Popcaan. You see me, mad visual, dope song, dope message, all that good stuff. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Drop in the comments so we talk about it and chop it up and drop your request. You already know what time it is. I don't know. Yeah, man. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. I don't know. Boy, Jambisco. Love you guys. I'm out, man.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.